You can read any number line in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Locate the benchmarks and find the interval between them. Step 2. Count the equal segments and find each length. Step 3. Skip count to label the marks between the benchmarks. Let's use this example. Step 1. Find the benchmarks and the interval. 400 and 500 are benchmarks. 500 take away 400 is 100, so the interval is 100. Step 2. Count the segments in between and find each length. Here we see 4 equal segments between the benchmarks. 100 divided by 4 is 25, so each segment represents 25. Step 3. Now we can skip count by 25 from 400 to 500 to label the marks. 425, 450, 475. That lets us identify points Q, R, and S. Now that you know the basics, let's practice. We can solve this problem together. Which best represents point P on the number line?
I think it's B. 3 marks after 200 is 203.
Let's see if you're right. Step 1. Let's find the benchmarks and the interval. I see 200 and 300, so the benchmark interval is 100. Step 2. Now let's count the number of equal segments between the benchmarks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I count 10. 100 divided by 10 is 10, so each segment is 10. Step 3. Now let's skip count by 10 to label the marks. 210, 220, 230. Aha! It looks like point P is at 230. So the best answer is D, 230.
Oh, I get it now. Each mark is 10, not 1.